Brad Sham and Christy Scales back at Texas Stadium. Biggest win for the Cowboys in many years, especially because of what it can set up. 21-14 over the previously unbeaten Indianapolis Colts. The Cowboys trailed 14-7 going to the fourth quarter. A magnificent game by their defense, and then the quarterback took over and made some things happen. And here's Tony Romo bringing the team back again. You know, it's supposed to look a little harder than you've made it look in your first four starts. But what was going on in the first half? Why did you have so much trouble getting anything going? And what happened in the fourth quarter?
Well, I mean, I learned we had a game plan coming into this game. And the first thing was we were going to run the football. And number two, we were going to get the ball out quick from the quarterback. And, you know, I probably had to sacrifice a few plays down the field today trying to get, the ball out. And it's disappointing because a couple third downs, I felt like we might have been able to squeeze it in there, but I just had to get the ball out. You know, the front four is so good. And in the second half, I learned from Coach Fairbanks. He told me once, he goes, as a quarterback in the NFL, you can't lose the game before you can win it. So I just took that approach tonight and said, try not to do anything that's going to be detrimental in your own red zone that's going to give them automatic points.
All right, now let's talk about Terry Glenn a little bit. You had one really disappointing play in the first half when you're driving down and miscommunications with him, and that ball got intercepted. And then all of a sudden in the fourth quarter, he made a couple of moves. You made a couple of great throws, and that really was the fuel that got things going. Let's talk about both of those things.
Terry's outstanding. He's a great player. And the first first half, I thought it was going to be more up the seam, and I got to throw the ball outside. It's just a little bit of miscommunication there, but I got to get it outside. And he set him up though with a few slants in the second half, and we got him when it counted. And Terry's a special player, and we got some great guys on the outside there.
Yeah, Tony, it was great the way not just Terry Glenn, but you were able to spread the football, all your passes around the second half. And so there's less than 3 minutes to go. And if you can just run out the clock. So obviously you're going to go to Fasano. I mean, that's just the most obvious target, right?
That's actually is a naked we're calling. We knew we couldn't just kneel the ball down because, Peyton on the other side, their timeouts, 2-minute warning. We got the ball, we play faked it in a naked, and Dwight Freeney, I don't know if people saw, but he's coming off the edge fast, and I could just feel him, his presence kind of there. And I knew I had to shorten it up and get the ball out, and Anthony made a great play, and that's big time.
Yeah, and then after the 2-minute warning, I guess it is the quarterback's favorite play, the kneel down. I guess when you were visualizing this game in your wildest imagination, did you think you'd be kneeling down to end the game?
You always hope, but I try and think about execution and what I'm trying to do during the game. And, I don't usually need to think about the kneel down. I can usually handle that one without thinking about it sometimes.
Yeah. Now, you were very politically correct during the week when asked about you going up against Peyton Manning and the two of you having the top passer ratings in the entire NFL. But you just won a game. You beat Peyton Manning. I mean, I know not just you, your teammates, and a great defensive effort. But, man, how does that feel? Because I know you've admired him a long time.
Yeah, I mean, Peyton's a great player. He's been a great player in this league for such a long time. And that team right there is the class of the NFL the last couple of years. And, it's a big win. The defense played so great tonight. I mean, you can't say enough about them. I mean, it was just great to see. And, this team, I think this team's got a chance to be special again.
That's why the middle linebacker is the player of the game. We're going to talk to him now. Thank you. Thank you, Tony. Tony Romo, big comeback win engineered by Tony Romo. But the